Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at WeBe Autos. Today we have a very special car. It could be a motion car. It's a 1975 Firebird 400 4-speed. Got the owner here, Lenny, many years. How about 20 years, right, Lenny?
Yep, 20.
20 years. He's going to tell us a little bit about him. So how you doing today, Lenny?
Doing fine. How are you?
After 20 years, huh?
20 years I have.
Wow. So cool. Looks great. It really looks great. So tell us about it. How'd you find it?
Well, found it from a guy at work. He was telling me his neighbor had a Firebird for sale.
Yeah.
And I said, well, I was actually looking for a Trans Am because I always had 78, 77s.
Yeah.
And he said, well, he's got a nice 75 Formula. That's pretty mid. And I went and looked at it, and he was right.
Wow.
I took it, and I just changed it up a little bit. I just changed the rims.
Yeah.
And I had the black stripes added to it.
Mm-hmm.
And that's about it. Everything else is original. And of course, I changed the rims.
Yeah, those US mags are staggered.
Just to make it a little different. And,
Love the motion stripe you added. Very cool.
And that's painted on. It's not a sticker.
Mm-hmm. Painted and cleared.
Yep. Plenty of clear coats. I think he said 5 clear coats are on it.
Wow.
And that's about it, you know. I enjoy it. It's a beautiful car.
Mm-hmm. You have some original docks. You have the original bill of sale.
The original bill of sale. I got some other aftermarket stuff that was done on the car.
Yeah.
And, it's crazy that you can still find the original bill of sale sticker.
Right?
Yeah.
It was like 3,900 or something crazy, or
yeah,
something nuts.
And everything's, he ordered it without the console.
The console, yeah. Love the flare on the back. I mean, geez, that's something motion would have done.
That's how I think it's definitely a motion car, because on one of the bills I have, it used to put centerline tires on there.
Yeah, there was a receipt for center lines and some big tires, like
right.
235.
And the suspension,
15s.
He said they put on some heavy-duty suspension underneath.
Yeah, that's this sway bar link that we found, or you pointed out to me.
Yeah, that's normally not
Look at that.
normal on a regular Firebird.
This piece here, it's like an articulated sway bar link, and a monster sway bar too. Looks like you put new urethane bushings.
Yeah, I had all that done and new shocks put on recently to make it the suspension better, but it's always sat nice.
It's got a great stance.
And I never changed nothing. That's because of the lift springs they put in the back, the heavy duty friggin' springs.
Yeah, and so that was done in the probably late 70s, or right?
Yeah.
That's what I would say. Love the ram air hood. That's functional. This is all cleared in and striped. It's got some nice metallic in it too. Beautiful bezels up front for the headlights. Did a nice job on the stripes.
Yeah, he did a nice job.
And you could see like the metallic in it. Real nice. How many coats are clear?
He said 5.
Wow.
I mean, what they say and do is 2 different things.
But yeah.
But I know he did a few.
It definitely shows. Really super nice.
You know, the white tires made it look nice in the back.
Really does. So it's believed to be the original 400 motor, 4-speed. You just had the paint done too, right? Wasn't that just done a couple
about
years
5
ago?
years ago.
Man, it looks like it was done yesterday.
Yeah.
You had the tranny rebuilt?
Rebuilt last year or a year and a half ago, but the car was probably only used 3 times after it was done.
Wow. Does it have 45,000 original miles or 145?
Yeah, that's original.
That's original.
Original.
Very cool.
And if I put on 3 miles a year, it's a lot.
You're gonna drive the car. Jeez, Letty. Wow, I kind of like it without the console because it's like sinister.
It makes it look more muscular.
It does, totally.
You know?
Oh, I agree. Custom stereo. Did you put that in?
Actually, when I bought it, the guy had that. He never hooked up speakers in the back. I got the wires there with speakers are out.
Very cool. Yeah. Man, very neat.
Yeah.
Radial tune suspension.
And it sounds pretty good too.
Mm-hmm. You bet. You fired up? Love to hear it. Exhaust with Flowmasters. Got a really nice heavy sound to it. Lenny, can you open the hood? There she is. Pretty cool. It's got these cool heads on it. Those are steel heads. Got a Holley Street Dominator intake manifold. It's a Holley 750. Electronic ignition. It's in a really neat side oiler situation. That's the oil filter with a monster oil pan. Brand new shocks. Just done. It's like an aluminum water pump. Obviously power brakes, power steering. Looks like Excel wires. Silicone wire. Mickey Thompson valve covers. Those Mickey Thompson valve covers were on it when you bought it, right?
Everything original.
Wow. Very cool. And then strut tower braces. Well, not strut tower, but braces. These are steel. Very cool. We go for a ride? Yeah, let's go for a ride. Sound to it too.
Want to go into the street?
Yeah. Let's go get some pizza. I'm starving.
It turned out nice. It was raining before.
I know. Got so lucky. Gears you have in it?
It's a 4-speed.
The rear gears?
What's that?
What are the gears in the back?
I'm really not sure.
What does it do on the highway, like 60?
60? It's about 35, 35,000.
Oh, okay. So it's not too low.
I mean, it's powerful. It's goes well.
Super straight.
Nice.
Comfortable, no squeaks. Did you do the clutch too when you did the training? Yeah.
It's a brand new clutch. It's, like I said, you probably don't even have 5,000 miles on it.
Clutch and the throw-out bearing?
Yeah.
Yep.
All new.
Good. for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from WeBe Autos. Feel free to give me a call, 631-339-0399. And I'd like to thank you so much for showing us your car today. Love it.